Hello there, this is Mayank from IndianLawInfo.com, and today I'll be talking about the preamble of the Constitution of India. So, what is the preamble first of all? It is, to be put in simple words, the preface of our Constitution. Every book has a preface. Our Constitution also has a preface, and that is known as the preamble. Every constitution has a philosophy of its own, and the preamble reflects the philosophy of the constitution. It reflects the ideals, the objectives that the state wants to fulfill. There are certain very important things about a preamble. It has been amended only once, which was the 42nd Amendment, and which happened in 1976. This amendment was known as the mini constitution, and it added the terms socialist and secular to the preamble, of which I'll get into the details. It is not enforceable in the court of law. It forms the basic structure of the Constitution of India, and a basic structure cannot be amended uh, in the parliament. That you cannot change the basic structure of the Constitution as it has been laid down in a landmark case, Keshwan and Bharti versus Union of India. Important terms included in a constitution are sovereign, and sovereign means that India is independent, undisputed, unchallengeable, and no other external power controls it. Socialist means that the goal of the state is that of a welfare state and the establishment of a socialist state. In a welfare state, both private and public economies function harmoniously. A secular state means that the state has no religion of its own but respects all religions equally. In India, right to freedom of religion is one of the fundamental rights. Article 25 to 28 lays down that, and every citizen of India has the right to preach, propagate, profess, practice any religion of his or her choice, and it does not disqualify the citizen on any grounds. And thus, India is a secular country. Democratic in nature, also because India is world's largest democracy, and people elect their representatives through voting, and which is known as universal adult franchise. According to Article 326 of the Constitution, people over and above the age of 18 have the right to vote, irrespective of their religion, caste, creed, sex, or place of birth. India is also a republic since public offices in the state are not occupied on a hereditary basis. The people select the important heads of the government either directly or indirectly. This is how the original preamble looked like. You might see the words socialist and secular is not there because this is the unamended one. There are other terms such as justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, which have been taken, rather inspired from the French Revolution of 1789. And fraternity means brotherhood. There should be unity in the country. Equality of status and opportunity. Right to equality is also a fundamental right. Is equal protection of law and equality before the law. And there's right to life and personal liberty also under Article 21 of the Constitution, and hence the term liberty comes here. Justice could be social justice, economic justice, and political justice. The sense of law itself is justice. So the preamble is one of the most integral part of our Constitution, and it reflects the ideals, the objectives, and it is the basic structure of the Constitution, and nobody can tamper with it. So this is Mayank from IndianLaw.info.com signing off. Thank you.